So the story all starts with this robotic dog from 2002 that I purchased in relation to the Leonard Cohen event in 2002. The Sony CEO had said that the robotic dog was emblematic of what the whole company was doing. And I thought, wow, well, maybe I should get one. And so I did. And the joints, when it moved, were so noisy that everybody at that Leonard Cohen event complained about how noisy the joints of the robotic dog. But anyway, this was the original. And so I'm going to bring that over here where we're going to open up the new dog. All right. So let's put this one here. This is the 2002 one. Okay. So then, in 2005, I got the new updated one. And I'm just gonna get that. Okay, so you can take a little shooting here. Okay. So this is the 2005 dog. And by 2005, Canadians decided that they weren't going to buy the Aibo, so you could not get it in Canada. So I had to go to a hotel in the United States and wait for the dog to arrive. that was the way I got this one. And it comes with these accessories of the bone and the pink ball. All right. So now we assume that the 2020 dog is perhaps reminiscent, but we don't really know how it's going to compare to those two guys. Kind of cute. This tape that I'm cutting through, guess what it says on it? Sony. So, official Sony taping tape. All right. Okay, so as usual, there's kind of like an outer box, and there's an inner box. Ah, there. Okay. So it seems to come in kind of a pod thing, eh? So this is the pod. So we're now going to open up the pod. It also has Sony tape, fancier Sony tape. All right. There we go. So let's just have a look at this guy. But you'll realize that there's going to need to be a part 2 of the video because we need to charge him up, right? So this is what the new dog looks like. And I think if you push the on switch, yeah, nothing happens because he isn't charged up yet. But I'll just show you. So the 2005 dog, this guy is charged up. So I'll show you what happens when you turn the dog on. So it's like any computer. It has a sequence and it goes through when it starts up, and then at a certain point it's ready and it does stuff. Yeah. And when it finishes this sequence, you'll probably realize that it's in a vulnerable position, and it'll say, "Don't drop me." So anyway, hello? Yeah, so this one is Boris. First one was Leo, And we haven't named the new one yet, yeah. But anyway, so he'll get kind of in his regular mode here in a second. And start doing things. But not for very long, because remember, this dog has a battery that's 15 years old, so he doesn't have very long battery life. Yeah, there you go. That's his morning stretch there. Yeah. Uh-huh. Doing his morning stretches. Do you celebrate like that in the morning? Hello, yeah. Okay, well that gives you some idea what the 2005 dog is like. So we're going to put him to sleep and stop the video, and then we'll come back with the charged up new dog. Yeah, and then we'll have do part 2. Yeah. Anyway, that's
I'm
it.
not sure how to stop
Cool.
it.
Okay.
You'll have to stop it.
Yeah. So to stop it.